Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wings Tuition Classes. Today I am going to tell you some more things in MS Word. I will tell you how to apply header and footer in MS Word. So here I have already opened MS Word. MS Word is already opened here. Now what is header and footer? Header means the information which comes on top of every page, and footer is the information which comes at the bottom of every page. Like you might have seen in some books, book name is written on every page of the book, on the top of the book, or you can say on the top of the page. On every page the book name is written, or sometimes you see the page number is written on the bottom of every page of the book. So to write that information we use header and footer option. So how we will apply header and footer in MS Word? You have to go to insert tab. There you will get two options, header and footer. Header means which comes on top of every page. So you will click on header option here, and there are so many templates for the header. Like here I am choosing first one. Like this header will come. Now you can write here any text. Like here I am writing computer. Okay, so I am first increasing its size little bit, making it bold. So I have written computer in the header. Now I will apply footer. So I will click on footer option, and in footer suppose I am using page number. See, it has already came, page 1 is written here. So now this is page 1, that's why here page 1 is coming, and on the top computer is coming. Now if I go to the second page, this is the first page of the document. If I go to the second page, now this is the second page. Now on second page also you can see computer is coming here, because this I have applied header. So it will now come on every page of the document, and at the bottom you will see page 2 will be written, page 2. Now here you can see page 2 is written here. Here you can see page 2 is written. If you go to the third page, on third page also you can see computer is written here, and at the bottom page 3 will come. Fourth page again you can see computer, and at the bottom you will see page 4 will come. So this is done using header and footer option. In header I have written computer, so now it will come on every page of the document. And in footer suppose I have written page number, so page number, page 1, page 2, like this it will come on every page of a document. So in this way you can apply header and footer in MS Word. So this is all about today. So please like and subscribe my channel and watch my videos. Thank you everyone.